Hey guys, you're used to seeing me do engineering updates. Well, today we're gonna do something special. We're gonna get a look behind the scenes at my lake house. All right, right this way. I'll show you where the magic happens. Right? Look at this. It's amazing. Oh, look. Laura's doing some commercial work. She's modeling for us. So actually, it's pretty early in the morning and our model's about to show up. So we're trying to make things look beautiful, get the Sidekick all ready to show well. You know, we're gonna do a little commercial stuff. I mean...
Yeah, we're gonna do ads. We're gonna do videos for use and care. We're gonna do still photography. And as luck would have it, I'm homesick today, so I'm gonna be watching virtually.
Yeah, this day's really special because everybody else, all those suckers are back at FirstBuild, you know, working hard to get this thing into production, and I'm gonna be here hanging out with craft services.
Rick Sidekick commercial, take one.
The Sourdough Sidekick feeds your starter so you don't have to.
Up to a week of hands-off care.
That's up to a week of hands-off care. It's been a long day, but we're gonna keep going here. The Sidekick looks great. It did a great job for us today. We're excited to get this to you. So we'll see you again soon. Get out of here.